In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post job on LinkedIn. We'll go through the process from the LinkedIn home feed all the way to adding the job details and description so you can get your listing up quickly and clearly. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the standard home screen you see after logging in, and it's the starting point for accessing all of LinkedIn's main features. If you're already on another page, just return to the feed first so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on the feed, look for the Jobs option in the top navigation area and click on it. This takes you into LinkedIn's job-related section where you can browse listings, manage hiring tools, and create a new post. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the menu carefully because the layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size or device. After you arrive in the Jobs section, find the option that says Post a Free Job and click it. This opens the job posting workflow where LinkedIn guides you through the information needed to create your listing. Starting with the free job option is a good way to get a post live without extra setup, especially if you're creating a standard hiring post. Next, enter the job title. Be as clear and accurate as possible here, because the title is one of the first things candidates will notice. A straightforward title helps the right people understand the role immediately and makes your listing easier to find in searches. Keep the wording professional and specific to the position you're hiring for. Once the job title is entered, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage of the setup process. At this point, LinkedIn is simply guiding you through the posting in stages, so take your time and make sure each field is complete before moving forward. Now enter the job description and then click Continue again. This is where you explain the role in more detail, including what the person will be doing and any important expectations for the position. A strong job description should be easy to read, well organized, and clear enough that candidates can quickly decide whether the opportunity is a good fit. Before continuing, it's a good idea to review your wording for clarity and completeness, and that's how to start posting a job on LinkedIn. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have the core of your job listing set up and ready to move forward in just a few minutes.